My name's Roland Rothute. I'm 50 years old and I'm a flight attendant. I've been a flight attendant for the last 19 years and we've been investing for about 10 years.
Fantastic. And where were you at in your investing before you joined Waelth Australia?
I was at a point where I was frustrated because we'd accumulated 13 properties in 10 years and didn't have the cash flow that we wanted. So when I heard that Helen was doing the 10 in 10 mentoring program, which introduced a lot of cash flow and retiring with 10 properties, that really excited me. Well, since joining the program, it's completely changed the way we're operating. We were more buying and holding, whereas now what we really want to do is start maximising what we've currently got. So the larger blocks, we're going to look at subdividing those or developing on those, and that's going to create great cash flow, which will put us onto the next deal and that sort of thing. So we've got to be fairly aggressive because I want to retire in the next 5 years. So I really feel that this will do it. The retirement income that we're trying to achieve through this whole venture is $200,000 net return per annum. Very ambitious, and because I'm not sure of it, we already spend a lot of money on keeping our portfolio going and on rates and things like that. So I've put out a figure of $400,000 per annum, but that is probably quite a bit, and probably because I'm factoring in costs of running the portfolio. But I think that if I had a net return of after costs of $200,000 per annum, I'd be very happy with that. We're starting very slowly, obviously, because we're in a neutral position at the moment with what we've got. But I feel that because we've been in the market for quite a while, the equity has grown quite a bit, and we're going to create a lot of equity as well with the new developments that we want to create. So I think it's very possible to do. At the moment, we've got about $1.4 million worth of equity in the portfolio.
Fantastic. Well done on that. And what would you say to other people that are considering investing in education through Waelth Australia?
Well, for those considering investing in Waelth Australia, the 10 by 10 mentoring program, for me it's like a new lease of life. The lights have been switched on. There's a process. You just tick all the boxes, you follow the process, and you're pretty assured to get to the end result. So as long as you're doing all your due diligence, you're prepared to put some hard work in, I would definitely say jump on board, because you can't really do it alone, and I've tried to do that and it hasn't worked. So definitely get the expert help you need.
Fantastic. And how have you found the personal support from the team?
The personal support from the team has been excellent. I can't fault it. From return phone calls to emails to Skype to just everything has been really, really good. And because I've done this sort of thing before with other programs, I've got something to compare it to, and the service is very, very good.